In this video, we'll explore how to enhance your privacy while using the Brave browser. We've already covered how popular browsers can track your online activity and collect your personal data. Click the I button in the top right or check out the link in the description to watch that playlist. If Brave is your primary browser, this video will walk you through configuring the essential settings to minimize data collection, enhance security, and take full control of your online privacy. Let's get started. Open Brave and go to Settings. Start with Shields. Shields are Brave's built-in tracker and ad blocker. Set them to Aggressive. This blocks cross-site trackers, invasive ads, and fingerprinting scripts automatically. Also make sure Block third-party cookies and Block fingerprinting are enabled. If you want Brave to automatically clear your session on exit, Forget Me When I Close This Site is a useful option. It's particularly handy when using services where you don't want any traces left behind. Scroll down to Social Media Blocking. Toggle off the embedding of Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn content. These social buttons track you across the web, even if you never click them. Disabling them prevents unnecessary data leaks. Now go to Privacy and Security. Under Delete Browsing Data, it's a good practice to periodically delete your browsing history, including cookies, saved password, forms, and site settings. This helps minimize the amount of information websites and advertisers have on you. Under Site and Shield settings, review and manage the permissions you've granted to various websites over time. Especially check permissions like location, camera, and microphone, and make sure you're only giving permissions when absolutely necessary. After all, you don't want Brave listening or watching when you don't intend it to. Another good option is to turn on Automatically Remove Permissions from unused sites. There are also several toggles here that strengthen privacy. Turn on Auto Redirect Tracking URLs so that you can bypass any tracking URL that you are being redirected to. Prevent sites from fingerprinting me based on my language preferences so that websites do not know your language's preferences. Block Microsoft Recall to stop Windows computers from taking snapshots of your Brave activity if the recall feature is turned on. Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. Ethical sites should honor it. Lastly, don't forget to turn off data collection toggles at the bottom. Next, go to Brave Leo, their built-in AI assistant, and turn off its automatic triggering. Better to use your favorite AI tool directly instead of integrating it with your browser experience. Check out how to use AI tools safely by watching the video linked in the description. Under Extensions, go through all the extensions and make sure they are enabled only on click. This will stop them from reading everything you do online. You can watch our video on how to use extensions smartly without compromising on your privacy. You will find its link in the description as well. Under Autofill and Passwords, disable saving passwords, addresses, and payment methods. While it's convenient, it's safer to keep that data outside the browser. Finally, look at Brave Rewards. By default, this system lets you earn tokens for seeing privacy-respecting ads. While Brave claims ads don't track you in the traditional way, participating still means opting into an advertising system built into your browser. If your goal is maximum privacy, it's best to keep Brave Rewards disabled. Securing your privacy starts with the right browser settings. By making these changes, you can reduce tracking, block ads, and fingerprinting, and take full control of your personal data. Remember, even the most privacy-focused browser can only do so much. Be mindful of the websites you visit, the accounts you log into, and the extensions you install. Privacy is a combination of tools and habits, and Brave, properly configured, can be one of the strongest tools you have.